The dream of the inviting furnace. I saw crowds of people. There were groups, friends, and whole families all walking in one direction. It looked like they were all walking towards a major sporting event or maybe a large conference. Everyone was calm and happy. They were all feeling good. When I looked from another angle, it looked like some of the people were having fun and chatting while they were walking. Others were cartwheeling and singing, and some were even somersaulting with excitement. The thing they all had in common was that they were all heading in the same direction. It wasn't a sporting event they were going towards. It wasn't even a large gathering. They were all walking towards a vast, open and inviting furnace. None of the people could see the fire or even feel the heat as they approached. By the time they realized what they were stepping into, it was too late. This was the entrance to hell's fire. There was no sound coming from the furnace. No cries, no screams, nothing. So there wasn't anybody to shout back towards the approaching crowd to warn them. They just keep walking in.